Are you facing problem with the Instagram notification panel not showing properly or in proper time? First of all, hold on Instagram app for some time and it will open this section. And under this, click on icon section, which will lead you to settings. Now, under the notification panel, make sure that all the notifications are allowed. If these are not allowed, then you will not get notification from Instagram because the setting will prevent it from sending to you. So make sure that this is allowed and go back. If it still doesn't solve the problem, then click on Instagram app, go to your profile and click on the hamburger menu. Here, under how you use Instagram portal, you will see the notification section and this page will open up. Here on the first icon that says pause all, you need to make sure that all this is turned off. After that, you can go on post any stories and comments, and you can allow the notification to be coming from the profiles you follow or from everyone, or you can just click on off if you don't want notification from likes. Similarly, you can set a notification from stories and comments, from followers, from messages, from calls, and this is how you solve this problem. This will give you notification instantly when any of your followers or your friends post something on Instagram. Hope this video helped you in getting your friends notification in the correct time, so please give it a like and subscribe to this channel.